How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So if you want to hide Instagram chats without deleting them, then what you need to do is just go with the chat, which is on the upper right, and choose a chat. Once you've chosen, go with the profile and tap on privacy and safety and tap on restrict. Once you tap on restrict, now the chat of this person will be moved to your message request section and won't be appeared in your primary messages section. You will also be able to see the person's messages without them knowing that you have seen it. You can anytime unrestrict the person, just search for the username and then tap on unrestrict, and that person will be unrestricted. But if you're looking for a more straightforward solution to safeguard your personal Instagram chats, then you can simply go with the locker for Insta Social app from your Play Store or your App Store and install the application. But if you don't want to go with a third-party application, then you can simply go with restrict and it will work. So that's how you can hide your Instagram chats without deleting them. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.